Good evening. My name is Daquan Mitchell, and this will be my sales proposal. Okay. Now, me being in law enforcement, I know all too well about wearing a bulletproof vest. Now, I mean, you got different types. You have your different levels of vests that can stop certain caliber of bullets, and you have your inner vest and you have your outer vest. Okay. Now, people would say, what's the point of your proposal? Because if you have an outer vest, you can just zip it down, open it up, let the air flow. But what about for the agencies that don't have outer vests, won't get outer vests, or what about the times that you're in a situation to where you can't zip down or take off and you have to have it on? This is where my proposal comes in about recreating a vest that will allow the airflow to come into the vest. Now, because you see, with this is my vest. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this right now. This is my vest. Okay. Now with this vest and I have an inner vest. Okay. I mean, pretty much it goes under my uniform and pretty much for the most part undetectable. I mean, you gonna see it a little bit, but for the most part it's undetectable. Um, but I have a real hard time of keeping cool. Even now, it's cold now. But when I take it off, my vest is wet, my shirt is wet. Why? The lack of airflow. So what I want to do is create a material, and I'm not talking about the material that's outside the vest that actually holds the bulletproof compound, but I'm talking about the plate itself. The plate itself lacks airflow, and whatever material that it's made out of keeps it from allowing the air to enter and to circulate. So what I want to do is create almost like a mesh or gel type material that is still able to withstand a bullet. I don't wanna destroy the integrity of the vest at all. And that's where engineering will come into place and people who certified for that type mechanics. I want to create that material that's going to still allow the deep penetration of a bullet, but at the same time have the airflow. Because the material actually holding the vest is a light material, and if you can see on one side, it is a mesh material. So that part is good, but the vest itself, making it just a little bit lighter. I mean, the vest isn't extremely heavy, but just make it just a little bit lighter, and at the same time have the material that's going to allow good air circulation and good airflow. Stay cool when you're out for the run. When you're just sitting in your car, on those hot summer days, and you just feel like you got to do something to get out the vest because you just burning up on the inside. I know all too well how that may feel. So it'll be a good thing, and who my audience I will reach out to. I'll come to the sheriffs. First and foremost, I'm gonna talk to them. Try to get a survey of police officers. Seeing the ratio with departments with inner vest and outer vest. Get their take on how they feel about the vest it is that they're carrying currently, and then from there, then I'll be able to put all my data together, drop a little plan, and then give them my proposal. See how they will like it. Once the material is made, once all the tests are done, then I can send out a few to different departments and see how they like it in comparison to what they're presently carrying. And everything checks out. We in business. Thank you for your time.